It's still alive, and it's also talking to me strangely. Well, it's been a while since we took a Bluetooth speaker apart.
Many months later.
Today we have an Ultimate Ears Boom 2 or 1, I'm not sure. I think they actually sound the same, I think they are pretty much the same shit. Today we have this thing here. It's part of the 10 speakers that I actually bought. Those are all dead as always. And the first thing I have to figure out is how to open it. Oh! That thing is quite big.
Batterie au minimum. Rechargez s'il vous plaît.
The issue this thing has is that the battery is completely dead. So, as you can see, this thing is completely nasty, and judging by the looks of it, I think someone has already been inside. So, in order to take this thing apart, I know that you have to just put a knife like somewhere here. Yeah, someone has already been inside for sure. Yeah, I pretty much had to destroy that thing. Someone has already been inside, that's the main issue here. This thing was completely destroyed, the plastic was completely destroyed, so I see that we have a grill here on the speakers. Yeah, but that thing is nasty, and here we have the small full one. I know this is not the way you are supposed to do it, but again, this thing goes in the trash anyways. If you just put a screwdriver here, pull those out like this. And now you can just actually pull those drivers out here. Those are some wonderful drivers. Maybe some of the nicest 2-inch drivers I have seen so far. Also weighted passive radiator. That's some nice stuff here. Second driver. I am being gentle though with the drivers because I do not want to destroy those, for sure. And here you have a look at the inside, the main PCB and amp, and then we are going to test them because those are actually some very nice little drivers.
can't ever be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. want.